Backgrounds add a lot of visual appeal for the students, and you can actually add color backgrounds or you can use images. And I'm going to show you several little tricks with the images. Okay, here you have some text just on a plain white background. Not very appealing, not much different than just using your whiteboard as a whiteboard. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to insert a color background. We have two choices. We can either click on Insert from the top menu and then click on Background, or if you're a right clicker, you can right click and then click on Background. At this point, this menu opens and you want to click on Color. Again, you can use your color matcher on your Mac, or you could use your color picker from the toolbar, but we're just going to pick one of these colors. I think we'll pick this neon green. Looks good. It says spring. That's what time of year it is right now, so I'm going to say OK here. I'm going to apply it just to the current page, but I do have the option of placing it in the whole document. So I'm going to say OK. And now I have a color background. Okay, it's locked down, it won't move. It's very, very simple to do. So remember, insert background or right click background. Okay, now moving on to images. You can see here I have an image in the background and ask the students to write a descriptive paragraph about the scene without naming what it is. So you can use backgrounds in a variety of ways. The nice thing about it, if you use a background that was a chart or something, you can use your Mimeo tools to write on it, draw on it. So this is also very easy to do. So I'm going to start with a new blank page, and again I'm going to click on Background, but this time I'm going to click on an image. Now it will open the menu from my computer, and I'm going to use this picture of a buckeye. So I click on the buckeye. Notice that my picture does not fill my whole Mimeo page. So I'm going to come here to Mode, and I'm going to click it on Stretch. I would also do that if my picture was too big. Stretch will make it fit the window exactly. Now I'm going to say OK, and there is my background. Now if I want to use a background like this, an image, and then I want to put text over it, you want to write on it. If this was a chart, the vivid color would be fine, but if I want to put text on this, my text isn't going to jump out because the background is kind of busy. So the trick to doing this is to get a rectangle. So I'm going to open my tools over here and get a rectangle, and I'm going to make a white on white rectangle, and I'm going to change the transparency to 90%. I'm going to click on it and put that over top. Didn't have much effect. I'm going to change my transparency to 25%. That's more what I was looking for. Now I'm going to put that box over it. Now you can see the buckeye behind it, but if I add text, it will stand out more, but I have an image as a background. That's how easy it is. I want you to practice now putting backgrounds into a Mimeo page, both color and images.